So what we're going to be doing is creating a contraption that can first float up and out of the wind tunnel. So right now I'm going to invite you all to start building and creating. So you'll want to pick a base first and then start adding things to the top of it. And once you guys have a base selected and whatever object you guys have chosen to create lift, we can move over here and add more to what we've created.
Effective solutions require selecting materials that perform best for each part of the design. Youth build understandings of materials as they interact with their world. Through physical manipulation, they come to understand which materials, for example, catch air. Providing experience with materials before youth tackle the challenge focuses their efforts and increases participation in engineering activities.
So we'll be manipulating the different materials on our tray to create something that will have enough lift to float up and out. What could I have added to this to actually create more lift? You've done it. Okay, so Tania, now that you've created something that can go up and out of the wind tunnel, I'm going to invite you to create something that can just hover in the middle. So what are you doing now?
Maybe the heavier it is, but not super heavy, because if it's heavy, like really heavy with everything together, it might be too heavy so it can't blow up. But if it's just a little bit heavier, it might go up a little but spin a little.
Okay.
Noting characteristics of successful designs signals which properties are important. Watch how youth are encouraged to consider the available materials, predict which might work well, and explain why. After testing their designs, youth reflect on the materials they used, the fundamental properties of them, and how they affected the performance of their designs.
What made you want to change it, and what did you notice about yours?
I noticed that when you open it, it stays open, and when you close it, it stays closed.
Okay.
That's what the pipe cleaner does. And then the other army guy just adds weight.
That adds more weight to it. So you've created more drag, and what did you say catches the air again?
This thing is like a parachute.
Yeah, just like a parachute, basically.
I added this to make it have more gravity, sort of.
Uh-huh. So why did that not work?
Because it didn't even fly.
When I did do this, and I had the Army Man on top inside with the parachute on top, and that still didn't work because it was too heavy still with everything, so it'll just go down.
Does anybody have a plus for Tania? What could she have done to this design to get it to hover more? Samantha.